I'm just hanging out in the Desti Lovers Facebook group, Did I mention that there's a Desti Lovers Facebook group? Oh, I didn't? Okay, so there's a Desti Lovers Facebook group, so check your email. And if you are not on the Destination email list, then go ahead and hit that link. It's desti.land/Desti Lovers, and you will find it. Find an invitation, get yourself in here, come join me so we can just chill together and talk Desti weddings. I'm so excited. Okay, yes, this is happening. See you here. What are you doing? Why are you waiting? What's happening? Why am I still here by myself? Where are you? You're late. Come on.